I'm gonna head up to Albany Falls Dam today. It's nice and sunny out. There's an uncharted road. Me and Joseph are gonna walk to the cemetery. Today is April 22nd. Taking Joseph off to school now. I'm testing it right now to see if it will, I turned off the screensaver to see if it'll go past a minute. If it does, I'll be happy. That screensaver is annoying, so we're gonna see. Oh, I think I finally fixed it. Good. Just got done talking to the homeless guy at Burger King. My mom came there. After this, I'm drinking my matcha tea right now. I gotta head over to Albany Falls Building Supply and do something there as well. I'm gonna get me a flex shaft adapter for my Dremel tool to use so I can do better carvings. Well, I had to go get a flex shaft for my Dremel 3000. I also went and bought I had to get some steel wool 3.0 because that's the one you want for buffing. I gotta finish up that cane, wax it up. Weather's going to crap real fast. We're gonna get that rain that it was talking about. I gotta stop and make sure something. I got a little leakage going on in my bag of something. I gotta fix it. Okay, I found out what the leakage was from. It was from the funnel, because I used the funnel to pour the matcha green tea into the water bottle and shake it up and drink it. And it's been helping me a ton. Today is April 22nd. Sorry, April 23rd. Yeah, today's April 22nd. Joseph's actually going to school. It's the first time this year on a Friday. I think it's more chamomile. I thought I was going to see some rain, but I didn't see nothing. Clouds are nothing. Just talking to a lady in there at the Super One. Today's been one of those cloudy days. I was hoping for some rain. We need some rain. Very well use it. That's how I say it. We need some rain. We just need it. I gotta get some transfer paper to put that onto the cross, so I have to wait till I get some money so I can get some graphite paper. So I'll probably have to buy that on Amazon. I'll buy a bunch of that. I had to call up the Cincinnati Dow store. Wait for the wind to die real fast. Okay. I had to go call up the Cincinnati Dow store I was wondering why it was taking so long to get my package. Well, come to find out. That they didn't get my order, so I had to call them up and talk with them and get that all done. And yes, they're gonna be sending it off soon. Today, actually. Well, I'm off for home. Didn't get a chance to get to the library. I ran into people, so I have to get that done later. So I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna do this stuff at home. I had to do some print-offs, but I couldn't get to the library, so I'll have to do it at home. And I'll look it up and then I'll take it to the library because I don't have a printer, so I'm gonna do it at home. Okay, today is April 24th. I got something I want to show you guys. And it's right in here. I got a juniper piece of wood, and everything falls with it. And then I got this boy you want to fall right here. Some hawthorn wood. I want to fall over. So this is hawthorn, juniper. I got like 7 pieces of nice, good, straight walking stick wood. So yeah, I sealed the ends with flaxseed oil. I might have to put some more on there. In fact, I will. So anyways, I'm just working on, these are going to be future projects. These are nice, good, long, pretty relatively straight hawthorn. I got jabbed in the finger as well by one of them. It hurts. This one is juniper. So anyways, yeah, future projects. Thank the Lord for it. They're nice and straight too. They're really straight. They're going to be feasible for good walking sticks. We're supposed to get rain today. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. He said it's highly likely that we're going to get rain. He said it one more time, it's highly likely we might get rain. I don't know for certain. Don't quote me on that. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. The weatherman seems to be certain that we're going to get rain today. We'll see. Either way, I could still use this in the rain. We need it. This has got his little dancing cactus with him today. He's playing with it. I'll admit one thing. It was nice to actually have sunny weather. And also I want to say that I'm thankful that I got those extra sticks to work on. And I talked to the guy about the carved hickory, the diamond on it. I called him up a couple days ago. He wants to wait till the 30th. I guess he believes for all his stimulus money. Well, I'll say one thing. Better not try to weasel me out of my money. We're finally getting that rain, but I don't know how much it's going to do. We haven't had rain for so long. Hopefully it'll put a dent in something, but I don't know. Joseph and his silly cactus. We got a little bit of rain, but it was nothing to brag about. Nothing at all to brag about. Well, I guess we're gonna head back out in the rain, I guess. In a few minutes. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. I might mention, I'm going to get that video up on Doctrine of Repentance today. I'm going to get that all edited up and get it all done. Yeah, so I'll get that out there today. My main channel today. That's be my main edit today. I'm going to be editing that one up and putting it out there today. Finally getting some much needed rain. I wouldn't think it from these clouds. They don't look that dark. If you look at them, they don't look that. They do, but they don't. Much needed rain that we finally got. Yeah, we needed it bad. Anyways, it was much needed to get this rain. I can actually breathe a whole lot better in the rain. I don't know if some people here, but when it gets really dry, I can't breathe out of my nose, and that face mask is really hard to wear when I'm not able to breathe through my nose. So I was been happy today lately. I've actually been able to keep my mind centered on the Word, and as it talks about Psalms 119, holy have you lost my meditation all the day. I was talking with this one lady yesterday, and she was going on about silly things about the Jehovah's Witnesses. Well, we just don't agree. Our teaching, my beliefs are different than yours. No. Their beliefs go against the Word of God. So I have to take a stand and go against them. That's where we need to stand. Yeah. We should not compromise the truth. People who think we should. I mean, don't compromise. Don't compromise the Word. Paul went against Peter over something we would think is minor today. It was big. He was denying the core teaching of salvation. As he made one mistake, you can read that in Galatians 2. About how they should keep some of the old sacrificial system, some of these things, and Paul said no. That would go against the grace of God and what Christ died for on the cross. So yeah, a lot of that stuff goes through my mind all the time. Everybody complains about the rain, but we need it. We need it. Yeah, we need the rain. Go out that way. Okay, I'm off for home. Yeah, I'm off for home. To make my wife breakfast. We're gonna have breakfast together. So yeah, I think that'll be quite enjoyable to get breakfast between me and my wife. I'll enjoy it a lot. You hear a lot of people complain about the rain. I don't know why. One thing I don't like with the rain when it's in the winter time is you can send your body into a really cold shock. It's the only time I don't really like the rain. Springtime rain, yeah, it puts a clamp on things, but you know what? We need it. So tomorrow's church. Hope it goes good. I'm sure it will. Sometimes I disagree with Jared, though. It's just part of how it goes. And one thing I want to get done, I gotta get some graphite paper from Amazon. I think I talked about that yesterday, but I was gonna say it again. But so once I get that done, I'm gonna get to work on that one walking stick to carve out the cross. I'm gonna trace the pattern onto the stick, and then carve it onto the walking stick. So that'll be different for me. It's something I haven't done, but I definitely want to try it out and see how it goes. I'm really interested in seeing how that hawthorn and juniper wood is gonna work for a good walking stick. You know, I'm really just wondering if that's gonna work out real good. See how it carves and stuff like that. I know all of that hawthorn. I gotta sand down those thorns. I got them all off. I gotta make sure they're all nice and buttery smooth. And run my hand across it after I get done. Before I do anything in the world of carving, because I don't want somebody holding that walking stick, you know, and get jabbed by the hand and go, ow! Yeah, I don't need that. Oh, by the way, that'll be probably like 6 months to a year before I get to work on that. But I'm waiting with eager anticipation. I want to make a trip over to A to Z real fast. I'm going to go in there and see if my cane's sold or not. Well, any of my cane's sold. I think she's already jipped me out of one of them. Because I know I had like 3 or 4 in there. She said I haven't sold any. And I'm down to 2. Something's up. She's cheating me out of my money. Not like I'm making much anyways from there. So I'm going to go run over to A to Z. See if she's even open. Sometimes she's not even open. We're going to see. Well, none of my canes sold. Granted, those are my early days of making canes. I've sold a couple there, but not much right now. Well, we're off for home. Gotta watch for these traffic. Finally getting the rain. I don't know if you can hear it, but we're finally getting the rain. This is the rain I've been wanting to see, that they finally were talking about. Didn't know if it was gonna happen. I didn't know for certain if this was gonna be what we were gonna get, but yeah. So I think today I'm gonna go and look up some graphite paper online today and check out what I can find, so I can do some transfer of patterns. Oh, I forgot to mention the guy I got the walking sticks from. His name was Morgan. I actually went to the high school that he went to. So he knew who I was. I didn't know who he was. Yeah, he knew who I was, but I didn't know who he was. It's a small world. He still lives in Newport after all those years, 20-something years there. Huh. Surprise. So I think the Lord is showing us some mercy by giving us this rain that we need. Oh, I spoke too soon, I guess. It just calmed down a ton. Yeah. We need more than this, though. We're gonna need a lot more rain than this. Joseph's upset right now. He doesn't have his cactus, ain't working. But anyways, he just it goes for a couple seconds and it just dies out. But I told him to let the batteries be for a little bit and they might charge up a little bit, so that might be the case. See, it just dies out. Well, the batteries are pretty much dead. That's what you get when you buy batteries at the Dollar Tree. Beautiful day. I don't care when it says rain might look like a crummy day. To me, I don't know what this white stuff is, by the way. I don't know what that's from. Beats me. It's not ice. It's kind of foamy like. I don't know what it is. I certainly don't want to walk in it. It looks like I don't want to walk in it. Doesn't look like I want to walk in it either.
No?
Looks like some kind of like soap. I don't know what it is. But I love the fact that I can breathe so much better.